Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of exporting your account information on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to securely download a copy of your personal details from Telegram, following these steps will make it quick and easy. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on those. This will open up the main menu where you can access all your important settings. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Advanced. Go ahead and click that. The Advanced Settings page gives you access to more detailed tools within Telegram, including the option we're looking for. Now scroll down until you find Export Telegram Data. This feature is designed to let you download certain information connected to your account. Click on it to open the options. Here you'll see several types of data you can export. But since we're focusing only on account information, make sure you check only that box. This will prevent extra files or unnecessary data from being included. After you've selected account information, click on Export to start the process. Telegram will begin preparing your data. Depending on the size and the speed of your connection, this can take a little time, but usually it's fairly quick. Once the export has finished, you'll notice a new button that says Show My Data. Click on it, and Telegram will open up the file containing your account information so you can view it right away. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know how to export your Telegram account information on PC in just a few minutes. It's always good to have a backup of your details, or simply to review what's stored in your account. Thanks for watching.